how to supervise, like how do we know they're doing the right thing? Like, should we, let's say we started production, can we message them? Is it going to be on time? How do we
Yes,
supervise
yes,
this?
yes, yes. Like when you work with Chinese, it's better to ask them a lot of times. For example, one question, they can a lot of times it can happen to you that they just don't respond, for example, to your question because they don't know what to say, or for example, they should ask someone and they just forget about doing this. So ask a lot of times. And also, if you have something important, for example, they should make a button like in different color or something like this, just tell them, mention it a lot of times, like, please do this button in green, please do this button in green. It will not offend them, but you will have a button in green. So yeah, it's better to mention things a lot of times for Chinese, and also ask a lot of times for something.
Okay, fair enough.